Welcome to Kitty Fun Corner.
Hi friends! Today we're learning good habits with Binni Bunny.
Good morning, world. What a sunny day. Let's hop to it.
Brushing, 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 sparkly teeth.
All clean.
Let's wash our hands. Scrub, 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 nice and clean. Good habits keep us healthy.
Time to tidy up. Ball goes in the box. Block goes in. Teddy, in you go. All done. Nice and neat.